Let's have a look at the pens and highlighters that are available to you in OneNote for Windows 10. We have this little activity before we jump into it. Let's locate them first. They're pretty easy to see. They're right here at the top. Making sure that we're in drawer, you'll see some default ones, and yours might look a little bit different to mine, and that is okay. Now, you've got two options here is that you can either click on one and then click again. And then here are your options to change some default colors, some default sizings here. Also, some more colors if you want to be more picky, or you can delete a pen. So, if I don't really want that one, I can click it and it removes. We can do exactly the same with highlighters. And if we want to add, let's say I want to have two different highlighters because I only have one, I can click on the little plus symbol here, and then I can go here to add a highlighter. And so I might also want a yellow one as well. And I might say, I don't really need four pens. Let's get rid of the purple one, delete. But I would like to also have a pencil. That's our other option we have in Windows 10, and I want that to be a gray pencil. So there are our including the eraser, there's four different types in total. So we're going to have a go at using the pen or pencil. I actually don't mind, but I'm going to grab this pen here. And then what we're going to do is if you have a stylus, you'll be able to just use that straight away. Otherwise, using your mouse cursor, or if you have a touch screen on, you can use your finger on the screen, as we're just going to do this really basic puzzle using a pen. So I'm going to choose the blue one, and I'm going to do this on a touch screen with my finger. So I'm going to then click here to draw with mouse or touch. As I said, if you're on a stylus, you don't need to do any of that. And then I'm going to try and draw this down, and I'm going to make my way through the maze, of which you can do the exact same thing as me, finding my way out, trying to not touch the black sides. Now, let's have a look at the highlighter. The highlighter tool here is asking us using the highlighter to identify names of animals from the list. So basically, I just want to highlight anything that is an animal. So I might pick my funky orange highlighter here. I've got my touch with draw because I don't have a stylus. I'm just going to use my finger. And so I'm going to come across and I'm going to go, yep, cat is an animal. So I'm going to highlight that. A bug is an animal. Okay. And then if I want to quickly change the last one just to show, I can come up here and tap on this yellow one instead, and then come across and also highlight that one in yellow. So we can change our colors around. So I want you to have a go at using the pen and also the highlighter.